with Tommy, Billy, and Billy Bob.
Yeah, we started off our show late.
Yeah, we haven't been here in a minute.
Yeah, show. So we have a couple guests. Chef Frankie.
Chef Frankie.
I'm being a bitch, nigga.
AKA Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
You already know. Putting in work.
Tell D how to move out the spot.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
How you doing today, sir?
Come here,
You
man.
on the pop
Get up
show?
here. Get up here. Hey, this is my brother.
Scoot it up. Scoot it up.
What's up, AKA Kareem Abdul-Jabbar?
Your name is, his name is Holla Watt. Wait, no, his name is,
Hold on, be quiet. You gotta hear it.
Hold up. I got a perfect name for her. How about Timmy Lemon, the one that can make you swim? That's your name. Let's do this.
Now, his name is AKA Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Now, we back here today for a new show. Now, do your laugh.
Yeah, I should.
Hurry, do laugh.
I don't want to, man.
Stop being a bitch.
No, I just do not. Cause, so, yeah! So, we're starting off our show today. We're here quick, excuse me.
You're random.
Ugh, look at that ratchetness over there. That's just
Okay.
ugly.
Do you have anything
Cat.
to say on the show today?
You're random.
Okay, that's a rare.
So our quote of the day is.
Random.
Hold on. I got this. If the sky is blue, then you gotta be blue with it.
Oh, I know
That's
what.
some real shit
I
right
know
there.
what.
Bro, back up, bro.
I know what.
She the creep,
Bro, back up, man. You be fainting.
No. Let's talk about creepers. Creepers.
We got it.
Demetrius, I'm right here. What?
It's almost 2 minutes.
Yo,
I'm about to stop the show.
No, stop the show.
How would you do
Or
that?
you will get fired.
I ain't stopped the show.
So we have our own.
if the sky is blue, your tooth is blue.
Whoa, Katina's back on the show. Katina.
With the pterodactyls.
Wow. Katina.
No, I know you ain't talking with lion feet.
That is no joke.
Boom! Doo-doo.
Now let's get back to the show. So our story of the day is the favorite thing of
The creepers.
Shut up for a second.
The creepers.
The story of our show today will be masturbation. So you was the last person to do that. So what do you have to say about it, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm being a bitch. Fuck it.
Man, back up.
Move, Katina.
I would like to say,
Demetrius, why your neck so black?
I don't know. It been black for a minute. I think I got diabetes.
Oh my god.
Great show. It's good. No, not about the show. I'm talking.
That
Oh, now I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Oh,
I know what y'all talking about.
Oh, Demetrius.
I know what y'all talking about.
Back it up.
Y'all talking about.
Okay, Danielle. Okay, all right. Well, so we were actually talking about, Oh,
Y'all
nice.
talking about.
Okay, Danielle. Everybody know now.
Never again.
All right. What do you
Look
think
at that
about that?
Katina.
Come on, man. We're doing the show.
I'll say.
So what do you think about that, man?
You saying
It's
that?
very. What is it about, man?
He said it's very.
Hold on, first. Do you do it?
No.
You don't?
You a virgin.
I was joking. I did.
What are you talking about?
Shut up.
I did it out loud.
And it was very. Did it feel good? It felt good. It felt so good. Okay. So.
Go back. Let's get back here. So you alright?
So you already know that's what it's about.
Everybody, well, all three of us.
Commercial.
So we're ending the show right here in 5, 4, 3,
We gonna do?
2, 1.
She said she loved me, whatever that is.
Now do me a favor and say that back.
Like back. Kids, then she reckless.
I'm balling hard and I'm hard like Catholics. End the show.